Look, the chief is back.
I think the main scene that I'm looking forward to seeing on stage, completed, is the one when Paul Bunyan first turns up and he asks for people to help. Because it's sort of a comedic scene. But it's the music to it as well. I love it. In rehearsals, watching it, it's brilliant. I can't wait to see that on stage.
The litany, which is the final scene, always gives me massive goosebumps. So I think that's going to look really good.
The community feels incredible, like when we all get like a harmony perfect, like get goosebumps. It's amazing hearing everyone together.
I have never seen an opera where there's been almost 200 people on a stage at one time. And so that was a completely new experience, and I thought, this is going to be really, really great.